Kate here at WTI, and if you're looking to step up your barbecue game, this kit from POLIGO is a great place to start. This kit comes equipped with everything you need to totally master the grill. I love how it comes in a stainless steel case, excellent for gifting. Inside, you're going to find heavy-duty tongs. This is probably the tool we use the most. It's used every single time we grill. It also has a flipper with a serrated edge. You have the nice fork here. It has a very sharp knife. It has stainless steel skewers. It even has the little handles for corn. You have a grill brush. So really everything you need to grill. And then on top of that, we also have the extra 2 grill brushes. These are so incredible. If you really want to give your grates a good cleaning, this is an excellent place to start. They both have a different wire design, so depending on your grill, you'll find maybe that you have a favorite, but they both do a really good job. We especially love this one because it gets right into the grooves. It goes right along with the shape of our barbecue and gives a really nice clean. They're heavy duty, nice and strong, and will get the job done. So whether it's for yourself or for someone else, I think you'll be really pleased with the quality of this grill set. It has everything that you need, and it's in one nice, convenient package. I'm sure you'll really like it, and that's my point of view.